Hello, Emily.
Hi, Paul. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here today.
Me too. Today we have a fun and useful topic, talking about family activities in English.
Yes, family activities are things we do with our family, like cooking, playing games, watching movies, going outside, and more.
And don't worry, we'll make it easy for beginners with simple sentences, examples, and practice dialogues.
But before we start, a quick favor. If you enjoy this episode, please click the like button and subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And share it with your friends or family who want to practice English talking about family life. 1. Daily family activities.
Let's start with simple daily activities you do with your family.
Yes, for example, I cook dinner with my mom. I clean my room with my brother. I help my father in the garden.
And you can ask questions about daily activities. Do you watch TV with your family? Do you eat breakfast together? Do you play games with your sister?
Let's do a short practice dialogue. Emily, do you cook with your family?
Yes, I cook dinner with my mother every evening.
That's nice. I usually eat dinner with my family, but I don't cook.
It's okay, Paul. You can start with something small, like making a sandwich or a salad.
Good idea. You can also talk about morning routines. I have breakfast with my family every morning. We drink coffee together. We say good morning to each other.
2. Using like to and enjoy.
Another way to talk about family activities is using like to or enjoy.
Examples. I like to play board games with my family. I enjoy watching movies with my parents. My family enjoys walking in the park together.
And we can ask, do you like to cook with your family? What family activity do you enjoy the most?
Let's do a role play. Paul, what family activity do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy going to the park with my family on weekends.
That sounds fun. I enjoy watching movies with my family.
Using like to and enjoy makes your English sound friendly and natural.
3. Weekend activities.
Now let's talk about weekend activities. Weekends are a great time for fun family activities.
Yes, for example, on Saturday we go to the market together. On Sunday we play football in the garden. Sometimes we have a picnic in the park.
And you can ask, what do you do with your family on weekends? Do you go anywhere with your family?
Let's do a short practice dialogue. Paul, what do you do with your family on the weekend?
Emily, on Saturday we go shopping together. On Sunday we play games or cook together.
Great! For me, we usually go for a walk in the park on Saturday and watch movies on Sunday.
Weekend activities are perfect for practicing English at home because you can talk about what you do every week.
4. Special family events.
We can also talk about special family events like birthdays, holidays, or family parties.
Examples. We celebrate my father's birthday together. We have a big family dinner on Christmas. We go to the beach during summer holidays.
And useful questions. How do you celebrate birthdays with your family? Do you have family dinners on special days? Role play time. Emily, how do you celebrate birthdays with your family?
We usually have a cake and sing happy birthday. Then we eat together.
Sounds fun. For me, we go out to a restaurant on birthdays.
Talking about special events is a great way to learn new vocabulary like birthday cake, party, holiday, gift, and decorations.
5. Family hobbies. Families often share hobbies or activities together.
Yes, for example, we play chess together. We ride bicycles in the park. We paint or draw together.
You can also ask, do you like to play games with your family? Do you enjoy sports together?
Let's do a mini dialogue. Paul, do you play games with your family?
Yes, we play board games like Monopoly or Ludo on Saturday evenings.
Nice. I enjoy playing football with my brother on weekends.
6. Using together.
A very useful word is together. It shows the activity is done as a family.
Examples, we eat dinner together. We walk in the park together. We celebrate holidays together.
Always try to add together when talking about family. It sounds friendly and natural.
7. Asking questions about family activities.
Some beginner-friendly questions. What do you do with your family? Do you eat meals together? Do you watch movies together? What is your favorite family activity?
Role play. Emily, what is your favorite family activity?
I love going to the park with my family. We play football or have a picnic.
That sounds fun. My favorite activity is cooking dinner with my mother.